Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got the bargain bead box unboxing for July of 2024. Just got this in the mail last night. And I'm totally excited. I loved last month's box. If you didn't see, I did 2 tutorials with last month's box. I will leave the links below if you're interested in seeing them. I made 2 necklaces. I was out of town for about 7 days, and then I was sick for like 3 or 4 days when I came back. So I didn't get as many videos in June, but I plan on making up for it in July. So this one is called Bargain Bead Box Desert Sands. It says the Subtly South, oh my gosh, I can't talk today. The Subtly Southwest inspired collection stars the earthy beauty of picture jasper with 2 15-inch strands of rounds and a 7-inch strand of rectangle beads and a 30mm tab pendant. There's plenty of pieces for multiple projects. Accents include red jasper, lapis lazuli, and sparkling crystal, while high-quality rectangle pendants in stainless steel and sterling silver plated brass show crinkled textures remnant of desert dunes. And if you get there, they also have a coupon code and everything. And I don't know if you're familiar with Bargain Bead Box. I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. Their monthly boxes are $22.99, and they're valued usually between $60 and $80. This one is valued at $78.32, and they give us 18 things. So you can't beat this. It's a good bargain. Let me make sure my light is up. I haven't really been filming because I was on vacation, and so I'm kind of out of tune here. Okay. Oh, pretty. So let's see what we have here. Okay. Oh, look at these. Oh, I love this. Oh, look at this. Oh, very pretty. Oh, here's the connectors. Oh, how pretty are these? Oh, I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. Rectangle pendant. And I do love picture jasper. I think it's so pretty. So those. Okay, let me get everything ready and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to start with the 30 by 16 millimeter picture jasper rectangle tab pendant. Look at how pretty this is. Look at all of the texture in there. And I know they were saying, because I watched the preview, and they were saying that each pendant might be a little different. Some will have different styles, because you know when you're working with gemstones, each one's a little bit different. Look how pretty that is. Oh, love this. Okay. And number 2 is 8 millimeter picture jasper round beads, 15 inches. Oh, I love picture jasper. It's so pretty. I'm loving these colors. You can do so much with these colors because they have like the red rainbow jasper, and then they have blue. They have like a turquoise Randel beads. So these are really pretty. And this is 15 inches. So you could, you know, if you got a 7-inch wrist, you could make 2 stretch bracelets from these alone. Okay. And number 3, oh, this is pretty. 6 by 4 millimeter red rainbow jasper Rondo beads, 7 inches. And if you look, each one's a different color. Lots of variety of colors, and there's some texture on the beads if you look up close. It's so pretty. And number 4 is 3 millimeters of Lapis Lazuli microfaceted round beads. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that sparkle. Love me some sparkle, girl. I get so excited when I open up these boxes. Yeah, I mean, so I know some of the simplistic jewelry is very popular right now. You know, you could just take this, make yourself a little 2-strand bracelet out of this if you wanted to, and not even incorporate it into any other jewelry you'd make out of this. So there's a lot you can do with these. Oh, this is pretty. Number 5, 18 millimeter picture Jasper Rectangle Beads, 7 inches. Oh, look at the difference in these colors. This one looks more like the Pendant. Yeah, each one's just a teeny bit different. But I love that because that's what makes the jewelry look so unique when you make it. And each one of us, yeah, look at that, how that's mixed. It's totally light on one side, dark on the other. And each one of us is getting different colors. So if you get different, you know, variety than me, don't get upset because it's everybody's is different. And number 6 is 6 millimeter picture Jasper matte round beads, 15 inches. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah. There's lots of different, just like in the other ones. I love that they send us a little bit of everything. We have some sparkle, some matte. You can create so many different things with this. Okay, and number 7 is 8 millimeter synthetic Aqua Terra Jasper man-made beads, 7 inches. Oh, these are pretty. And like I said, these just make a nice little stretch bracelet if you wanted to. You know, you can use these together or alone. And like this would look pretty because you've got that color, the red, the terracotta red going in with this color. You could put those together. Maybe I'll do something like that. I'm not really sure yet. I'm getting inspired, but it's, you know, I like to kind of feel out the beads and look at them and everything. So number 8 is 6x4 millimeter crystal faceted Randel beads in turquoise AB, 16 inches. This is pretty. So each one is a little bit different on here too because of the faceting. Like depending how you, let me just kind of lay it down there so you can see the sparkle. Just depending how you, you know, how it hits the light. Okay, and number 9 is 10 pieces of 10 millimeter faceted crystal barrel beads in dark coral red AB. Okay, hello. Talk about sparkle. Wow. Oh, these are pretty. The hole's right there. Oh, these are really pretty. Look at that sparkle. Ooh, love me some sparkle. Okay. And next, number 10, 6 millimeter frosted glass round beads in dark coral red, 14 inches. Oh, these are pretty. And these are glass. Look at that. They're the frosted, so they're kind of matte, kind of like these. You could do an all matte bracelet if you wanted to. I could mix this with the barrel beads for a little bit of sparkle and flash in between there. So pretty. And next, number 11 is 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in Golden Shadow AB. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah, I mean, you can, oh, you pet my camera. You do a little bracelet here. Look how pretty that is. Okay. Number 12 is 33 by 25mm stainless steel textured rectangle pendant. Oh, that's pretty. That's the side of it. Very pretty. Oh, I can't wait to work with this box. Okay, and number 13 is 2 pieces of 17mm sterling plated brass textured chains, and so these just have the one hole at the top. You can see them, not at the bottom. This would be really pretty as dangles on earrings if you wanted to. Okay, and number 14 is 4 pieces of 17mm sterling plated brass texture links. So it's the same style, but these have a hole in the top and a hole in the bottom. So they're connectors. So you could use these like as part of a necklace. You could use these as like earring connectors. Like you could have like jump ring there, and then have, or eye pin, then dangling something there, or a head pin, or, you know, there's a lot you can do with these. Okay. And number 15 is 4 by 5.5.5mm faceted Rondo spacer beads, 10 grams. These are pretty. Look at their, because they're faceted, so they have that sparkle from the cut, faceted cut on the ends. Very nice. And then number 16 is 20 pieces of 8mm dotted wavy bead caps. Oh, these are pretty. So that's the front. You can see that if I'm holding it too close. That's the side of it. Very pretty. Oh, hold on 1 second. Okay. And number 17 is 1 meter of 4 by 2mm brass diamond cut chain. Oh, this is pretty. It's very dainty. Oh, yeah. Yeah, these are pretty. I kind of got a cool idea for some earrings with this chain and the other stuff. You will have to stay tuned. And last but not least, 3 sets of 18mm open square toggle clasps. These are nice. They're just kind of a plain. They don't have a kind of a more of a modern shape to them. And they don't have one side or the other. They're the same on both sides. So it doesn't matter. Some of them are like floral on one side and flat on the other. So with this, you don't really have to worry. So what a pretty box this month. Like I said, if you're not familiar with Bargain Bead Box, I do have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link below, and don't forget to use that code. And definitely stay tuned. I will have some videos going on with this. I'm not traveling at all for July, so I will be busy in my bead room. And thank you everybody for watching, and stay tuned for that next video that I know you're going to love. I will have it in the end of this video, and all of my information is below in the description if you would like to follow me on any of my social media or follow me on my Etsy store where I sell most of my jewelry that I make. So you have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video.